The 2026 Toyota RAV4 has taken another confident step forward, and this time it is leaving the pavement behind. Say hello to the all-new Woodland Edition, a rugged replacement for the previous adventure trim. Built for explorers, campers, and drivers who love going off the beaten path, the Woodland Edition merges durability with Toyota's push toward electrification. Under the hood, you can choose between a hybrid electric or a plug-in hybrid powertrain. The plug-in version offers an impressive 320 horsepower and up to 50 miles of electric-only range. This means you can drive most days without even touching gasoline. Plus, it supports DC fast charging that gets you from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. Visually, the Woodland Edition gets some real character. You will find all-terrain tires, a factory roof rack with crossbars, and a rugged tow hitch already integrated. Even the interior reflects that adventure vibe, with red and orange accents and durable all-weather floor mats that are ready for mud, sand, or snow. Toyota also gave this edition some serious muscle, with towing capability rated at 3,500 pounds when equipped with all-wheel drive. Whether you're hauling a trailer, bikes, or a boat, this RAV4 can handle the job with ease. On the technology front, you will find Toyota's new Arene operating system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a touchscreen display that scales up to 12.9 inches. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work wirelessly, so you can leave the cords at home. Safety is just as important as adventure. That is why Toyota included a boosted Safety Sense suite with features like front cross-traffic alert and lane change assist. These upgrades make highway cruising more relaxed and city driving more confident. The Woodland Edition joins the refreshed RAV4 lineup under Toyota's new trim strategy. It is now part of the Rugged series, while other trims are split into Core and Sport models. This new structure makes it easier to pick a RAV4 that matches your lifestyle. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 Woodland Edition is expected to arrive at dealerships by the end of 2025. Pricing will be revealed closer to launch. But if you are looking for a mid-size SUV that is practical, eco-friendly, and ready to explore, this one is absolutely worth watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest rides and automotive tech.